Hi everyone, my name's Alex. A little bit about me, couple things. This is my fourth year at Fresno State. Well, last year in college. I did 2 years of community college, and then last year was my third year at Fresno State, and this is my fourth. Um, that's pretty much it. I've been here this last year, and then this will be my second year also living in Fresno. I'm originally from Santa Maria, and I went to Allen Hancock College over there. Um, Aside from that, the only other thing would be I also work part time at Starbucks, um, and I've also been working at Starbucks for the last 3 years while I've been going to school. And then when it comes to the art class, I actually had, I think it was an art appreciation class, my first year of college, but I don't remember too much, especially because that was such a long time ago. It was almost 3 years ago. So, yeah, I don't know much. And that is my introduction.